So hello aspirants, in this session of current affairs, we will see some more important topics, especially for your prelims 2023 examination. The first topic is Kranti Gatha. See, what is Kranti Gatha? It is a museum. It is dedicated to your Indian revolutionaries. And where is it situated? In Maharashtra. Now the next topic is Kodava. Kodava is the name of a tribe which is situated in or which resides in Karnataka, and the speciality of this tribe is that the government has given them the permission to carry arms. So this tribe is an arms carrying tribe. The next is your REN 21 or Renewable Energy 21. It is the name of a conference or a community which comprises of the governments from different countries, similarly the civil societies as well as private institutions. So all of this come under a given single umbrella of your Renewable Energy 21 conference. The goal of this particular conference or community is to enhance renewable energy production as well as installation. Recently, they have given a report which stated that India has become the third largest country in the terms of renewable energy installation. So that's why this institution as well as this data becomes much more important. The next topic is your World Competitiveness Index. Now, which institution does bring this particular index? It is your Institute for Management and Development, that is IMD. The next topic is your Northern Ireland Protocol. This protocol is associated with your Brexit deal. Okay, so remember this one. Brexit deal comprises of the Northern Ireland Protocol. The next topic is your Just Transition Division. So it is created under your Coal Ministry. And why does it constituted? So as to monitor the sustainable closure of your coal mines. So remember this thing. Why does this Just Transition Division has been created? So the next is your quadrivalent human papilloma virus. Recently, the government of India has given the permission to Serum Institute for their new vaccine which they have created regarding this quadrivalent human papilloma virus. Now, what does this virus brings, or which sort of disease does this virus brings? So it results in your cervical cancer. And how does this virus gets transmitted? It is the most common sexually transmitted disease. So through sexual intercourse, this particular virus gets transmitted. And recently, Serum Institution has developed a vaccine and the government of India has given the approval. So that's where it becomes very much important for your prelims 2023 examination. The next is your IS 17693 2022. This is a IS code which has been given by your Bureau of Indian Standards. Okay, so why this particular code has been given? This is given for those refrigeration technology which is developed upon your Mitti-Cool refrigerator principle. Okay, so Mitti-Cool refrigerator principle is a new technique through which certain cooling can be done, and the government of India, especially the Bureau of Indian Standard, has developed a new IS code, and this is the number 17693 2022. Kindly remember this particular number. It can happen that UPSC may ask this particular number in the prelims question. The next is your certain national parks. See, the first national park that we should remember is your Attapakka Bird Sanctuary. So Attapakka Bird Sanctuary is situated at your Koleru Lake, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and then the next one is your Kali Tiger Reserve, which is situated in your Karnataka state. So that's all for this session of current affairs. In the next session, we will see some more important topics. Till then, thank you.